Here's a 2015 Lexus GS 350. Its seductive elegance will take hold of you. Its performance will whisk you away. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, doors and push button start proximity key, power telescoping steering column, automatic transmission, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. Cars.com reports the new GS's impressive blend of nimble handling, quiet road manners, intriguing looks, and high-level interiors seem like the perfect blueprint for the brand's future. Live a lifestyle that leaves a lasting impression in this Lexus. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Experience luxury at its highest level. Conveniently located at 16100 Wayzata Boulevard in Wayzata, Minnesota.